I did a chain conversion kit on my 2000 Sportster. I wrote a check to the Universal Bank of Abundance to myself for $5 million. It was dated for yesterday. Yesterday?
Day before. Friday.
It was dated 2 days ago. And I didn't get the money.
There's just
555 Power of Belief Drive.
They're just...
And I didn't get the fucking money. I wrote this 3 years ago. It didn't come in. So here we are on YouTube.
Well, they're just holding
They don't have the money.
They're just withholding the check. That's
for a week, yeah. Holding it for a week.
It takes some time.
Anyways, that's why we're here today. I did a chain conversion kit on my 2000 Sportster. We opened up the kit. We've got the sprocket, front sprocket. We had the rear sprocket chain that came with it. I'm just going to make it short and sweet. Yeah, it was fine.
There was really not anything that could go wrong. Oh, except for if you order the wrong one. Like we did.
Do you have your phone? Pull up some reviews.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're going too far down. Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
Do you even know how to use your phone?
No, I don't. Nice little kit that looks great on the Sporty. Easy to install and looks good. Like lots of perfect reviews.
Worked great.
+1 skin tone, -3.
So maybe you didn't like the powder coat? What the
I don't know.
It still got 5.
5 out of 5 stars.
All right.
Skin tone was off. No,
I don't know what.
There's nothing skin tone about it. Awesome kit, but instructions would be nice. Still gave it 5 out of 5. You could do it without instructions.
I think that if you are brave enough to do a chain conversion, if you've hardtailed and stretched your frame out,
yeah,
that you should know, I guess, how to do the chain conversion or have some capacity of knowledge. I think they even have how-to videos on their thing. If you have the internet to do the review, then you have the internet to look it up.
This conversion will make your Sporty look tough. It was an easy project to convert that wimpy belt to a boss ass 530 chain. The only struggle, and yeah, it is a bit of a struggle, is to get the damn sprocket nut off.
We had that.
Yeah, it's a bit of a struggle. If you had all the right shit, it would be no problem.
But here's another thing too. If you're a shop and you're doing a chain conversion, you can actually sell this chain conversion kit if you're doing this chop for someone else. 100%. It's actually a necessary thing if you're stretching it out for a Sportster, right? It saves time in the shop finding parts.
Yep.
And it saves money.
Yep.
And it also saves labor time.
Yep.
Because it's just all together and there's fucking nothing wrong with it. So it's like, if time is worth anything, then you just grab it.
It's the wrong part. Whoops.
I know exactly where I went wrong. But I've got an idea. Jake's bored, so he's gonna spin it. Good. My only problem with belts is when they go, they better pray that someone has that fucking belt. They don't stick, like, people don't even really stock belts all that much. You know what I mean? Well, around here. So it's like you'd have to order the belt no matter what. Whereas if the chain goes, everyone's got a chain.
Yeah. I was once told by a wise man that belts are for your trousers.
Would I get it again? Yeah. In fact, I think it would be a staple of every chopper.
We might even order the correct one.
What fun is that?
Yeah, you're right. It's way more
fun shitting your pants.
You got the wrong one, maybe.
That's the fun of it.
This might be a different rear wheel.
Pretty sure the rear wheel comes like that.
But no mag front? That's weird, I think.
No, that's it. That's Sportster shit. I'm not even a fan of that wheel in the back.
With the pizza cutter?
I'm not a big fan at all. They say that like the wind's gonna hit it and shit, but I've never run a.
Nah, it will, but I don't think I'll notice it. Wheel?
But I don't think I'll notice it either. I mean, it's no different than what's gonna be going on in the front. So as long as this is wobbling, that can counteract the wobbling from this one.
From the other direction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
Yeah. The wobbles will balance.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure that these wheel bearings are fucking baffed.
Yeah. These ones are good.
And the steering head bearings are fucked too.
Yeah, but only fucked.
And the rocker bushings are destroyed.
Yeah, totally gone.
Just so it can counteract that.
Except on this fancy new Paco.
Which is another video.
Yeah.
This is the first video. It's probably cringy as fuck. I've been
5 million, don't get it wrong.
Look at, I can't even show. I've been patching them up.
Oh, these are the patched ones.
These are them thick thigh save lives pants.
We need more pants.
Patched up.
Both of us.
I'm patching my pants up.
I got holes everywhere. I got holes
manifest. Let's manifest.
Are we manifesting the money? Oh yeah.
Now the truth is out that we're dorks. That we're actually
full-blown nerds.
Go like stuff. I ride a damn roller dances.
Never seen you that big before. I like street glides.
Nah, nothing's wrong with
I love road glides.
I thought you liked the Tour.
I like the FLT.
Yeah, that's the Tour glide.
But if I were to get a new Harley, it'd be a road glide.
Oh.
With the Rockford Fosgate speakers. If I were to get a new Harley, I'd get an Indian. All of this because I'm owed $5 million and it has forced me to start a YouTube channel.
You're welcome.
Yeah, actually, pretty pissed.
I'm upset.
Be pissed. Is this an old can?
No,
you spitting it or anything?
No, yeah. That's my spit can.